In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pause in ElevenLabs, a process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a project or just exploring the features of ElevenLabs, understanding how to effectively add pauses can help you create more natural and engaging audio content. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once you've got your browser open, the next step is to log in to the ElevenLabs platform. Make sure you have your login details ready. You might already be familiar with logging into the platform, but if you're not, just remember to enter your username and password, or use any other authentication method you've set up. After successfully logging in, you'll want to ensure you're using the text-to-speech feature. Pay close attention here, because it's important to select the 11v3 voice design, which is specifically optimized for creating expressive voices. The 11v3 features advanced options that can really bring your text to life with natural and varied intonations. This selection is crucial to getting the best results for your audio project, so make sure you've got that selected before moving on. Now, to add pauses in your text-to-speech, you can use hyphens, ellipses, or backslashes. Each of these symbols can be used to create a pause, but they may result in different lengths of silence. A hyphen will generally produce a shorter pause, while ellipses can create a medium-length pause, and backslashes can be adjusted for even longer pauses. It's worth experimenting with these to see which fits your project's needs best, and don't hesitate to try out different combinations to get the timing just right. Once you're satisfied with how you've integrated these pauses into your text, it's time to click on Generate Speech. The platform will process your input, and you'll soon hear the fruits of your labor. Take a moment to listen to the generated voice. Pay attention to how the pauses you've inserted impact the overall flow and expressiveness of the audio. Adjust your text if necessary until you're completely happy with the result. Finally, when you reach the point where the generated voice meets your expectations and fits perfectly with your intended message, it's time to share or download your audio. You'll find options to either share your work directly from the platform or download it for further use. This flexibility comes in handy, whether you're incorporating the audio into a larger project or simply saving it for future reference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in adding pauses to your text using ElevenLabs. These simple tools can help bring your projects to life, making them sound more natural and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.